Hello dear children. Children, today we will learn how to write 3-letter words with A sound. So first of all, before beginning, let me tell you children, all the cursive letters, they begin with the starting stroke and they end with a tail. Okay. Now there are two types of cursive letters. In some, the tail ends on the second blue line. Like N, the tail is ending on the second blue line. Here also the tail is ending on the second blue line. Here also. But some letters, the tail ends on the first blue line. Like B, V, W, O also. And here F, the tail is ending between the two blue lines. Okay. So first we will learn how to join letters where the tail is ending on the second blue line. It is very easy to write these, to join these letters. Like this here, A, the tail is ending on the second blue line. N, the tail is ending on the second blue line. Now let us see how to join them. Now from here you have to continue writing the next letter. That's it. Now only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to join with a slant, with a curved line. So nowhere you will not make any points. Now these are the points which you will avoid. Always join with curved lines. Okay. Now I will tell you how to join letters with A. Now first joining, there are two types of joining with A. In one, letters are joined after A. Okay, here the letters are joining after A. And some, the letters will join before A. Now let us see how to join letters joining letters after A. A. Okay. The tail is on the second blue line, so it is easy to join. A, B, A, C, A, X, A, I, A, J, A, sorry, it is going out of the lines, L, and so on. So it is very easy to join the letters after A because the ending stroke, that means the tail of A is on the second blue line. Now let us see some letters which join before A. So again, suppose we are joining A to A and A. C. Now C is ending on the second blue line, so after that there is no problem in joining. D, A. Similarly, we will take randomly any letter like R, finish writing R and then A. Suppose we are writing S first and then continue writing A, T, A. Okay, so this joining is simple where the letters are ending on the second blue line. Now some letters which end on the first blue line, like B. Now how to write A after that? Finish B and then make the curve of A. Okay. Once again, please see. Make this curve of B and then make the curve of A. Similarly, V. This is the tail. Now continue writing, making the curve of A. So in these, the starting stroke of A is missing. W. Okay, it has ended here. Now continue writing A. O. Continue writing. Continue making the curve of A. Okay. Now F. F is ending between the two blue lines. So here make a curve and write A. So in this, if you can see, there is a curve here. You will not make like this. And here for the F also there is a curve. This is wrong. Okay, this straight slant line is wrong. You have to make a curve and then make A. Okay, in B also, with B, straight line is wrong. You have to make a curve and then make A. Is that clear? Now based on this, we will write some words with as sound, 3-letter words with as sound. Okay, so this is the sheet which is given to you on the first day. For 5 days you will be given such kind of sheet where different words will be there. Okay, so you have to write this based on like whatever joinings I have told you here, how to join letters. So in this way you will just join letters and make the words. Now see, can, see, continue writing A and continue writing N. Now as you know, in the line we go horizontally. So after that, which letter we will write? We will not write here, we will write that first. So again, in order to write in straight lines. Now see, B is ending on the first blue line. Make a curve here and then A, and T will not touch the top red line. Till now many children are touching T to the top red line. And then we will go to the third word. Now see how to join G with A. Go up, up, up and curve and write A and then S. Okay, so this is the size of the words that you will write. Now can you see this much? The word, my word is this much fat. Okay, so you will write just under it the same thickness of the word. I mean, this word will not be fat. Suppose sometimes children write the starting strokes longer, so there So if the starting stroke is longer, that is why ma'am always says do not make long starting stroke. So then this, though the letters are thin, but the letters are placed far because the starting strokes are long. So these long starting strokes we have to avoid. So now see how fat this letter is. And sometimes what children do is they stick the letter to each other. Suppose bat. Here this is touching the red line, wrong. Here see, B and A are sticking to each other. This is wrong. There should be a little gap between them. They should not stick to each other. Third one, gas. Again, please do not make very, very thin formations. If you make very, very thin formations, this will look like this. Okay, so ma'am has written on the top. Please follow it. The size, the thickness, everything you will follow from here. Okay. Now again here, please see how to write facts. From here, make a small curve and A and continue writing X. Now we will go to this word. Come down straight in R. Finish writing R, then A, then G, come down here, M, A, N. Okay. Now, when ma'am says touch the margin, what does that mean? You will start from here. If you start from here, is this touching the margin? No. So how to touch the margin? You will keep it on the margin. Keep your pencil on the margin. And then start writing. In the same way, you will finish this line. So, you will write horizontally. You will not write can, and facts, then go to this line. This is wrong. You have to write horizontally, finish this line, and then come to the next line. Alright, I hope you will write very beautifully today. Alright, happy writing. Bye, all the best.